Yo, what is going on guys? So in this video I will be showing you the mod for Course Hero. So when you need to unblur on or unlock anything on the Course Hero, then you can use the Course Hero mod APK. You will be able to get unlimited tutor questions and unlocks. So yeah, the mod is working for both Android and iOS devices. I have installed it on my iPhone, but it is also working for any Android devices. So let me start the mod APK. I will show you how how this works. So yeah, we've got unlimited unlocks and unlimited tutor questions, as you may see right here. And yeah, that's the best way to unblur anything on Course Hero using the mod APK. So yeah, that's pretty it. So yeah, I've got this mod from the app ninja.vip, and this is the Course Hero Plus. So app ninja.vip, if you want to get it for your device, the Course Hero Plus, then go to your browser and open this app ninja.vip. You can use any browser. I'm using Safari because I'm iOS, and find here the Course Hero Plus. So if it's signed, click on here and click the Start Injection button. It will start the downloading process of the Course Hero Plus with unlimited tutor questions and unlocks. So I don't need to download it again because I already have it on my device. But if you have any troubles with downloading, you can always check the how to download video tutorial, which is right here, and you'll be able to get any app or game from this list, including the Course Hero Plus. So thanks for watching. Enjoy the Course Hero, enjoy the unlimited unlocks and tutor questions, and bye.